How to change the A's on HelloTalk. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your A's on HelloTalk. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So if you're using HelloTalk and you want to change your name, then first of all make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of HelloTalk, and you can simply open and log into it. So just go on your profile, which is on the down section right here. After going there, you will be able to see a very setting option on the top right side with a circle, and then tap on the account section right here. Now you can see that I have linked my HelloTalk with my Facebook and Google account. So if I want to change my is on my HelloTalk, then I should unlink with them first of all and choose a new account where I can change my is, or I can just log out to it and again log into it. So that's what you can do. Since I've just logged in with my Facebook, I should unlink to it and then again choose a new account if I want to change my A's, because you cannot just change your A's when you are linked with some social medias or your Google account. So unlink with them, and again when you open the HelloTalk by reinstalling it and logging into it, make sure you create a new account with your new A's. So yes, that's the step that you should follow to change your name on HelloTalk. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.